Hey everybody, welcome back to Charizards for Chewbacca with Lucha Larry. I got another one of those sketchy booster packs with the foil card. Hopefully I get something good because I liked that Mewtwo. Yay, another Mankey. Alright. Ooh, black rimmed code card. Oh, black border code card. Alright, got a Shroomish, Throw, Cast Form, Trapinch, Reverse Hollow Clay Doll. Ooh, Garchomp. Dark Energy, Cleansing Gloves, and yeah. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's go with this one. Lost Origin code card. A nice Score Bunny Hollow. Those are pretty cool. Alright, let's go with this Lost Origins Giant Tina. I know that's not the name, but that's the way I like to say the name. Alright, we got a Seal, Rockruff, Ducklet, Growlithe, Shellos, Panic Mask, Spectreer? Is that how you pronounce that? Yeah, that's one I don't really know. I mean, I do have Sword and Shield, but don't really have much time to play it. Too busy trying to fill the Pokédex on Arceus. Alright. Spinark, Apom, Clefairy, Slugma, Lickitung. Ooh, Full Art Cast Form, Comfey, Grass Energy, Fantina, Machoke. Not bad. That's a hit. Alright. Time for the main event. I actually found one at the Dollar General. Let's pop this bad boy open. I do have a list of shout outs at the end, so please stay tuned. Three packs of 151. I'm really hoping to get a Charizard. I love the original 151. And this set, from what I've seen, is a throwback for the most part to that. Like, I've never opened 151. This will be my first pack. How crazy would it be? Black rim code card. Alright, we got a Bellsprout, a Horsey, Nidoran, Abra, Hitmonchan, Sea King, Butterfree, Jolteon, Metapod, Ditto. I like that Ditto. Jolteon, Metapod, Ditto, and then yeah, the water energy. Man, so far I'm loving 151. Alright. Let's go with this one. Yes, I will do all the code cards at the end. Alright, Mankey, Meowth, Execute, Onix, Dragonair, Seadra, Zubat, Reverse Growlithe, Nidoking, hell yeah. Basic Energy and an Oddish. I like the art on that Nidoking. Oh, yeah, that Nidoking. And I show you the Growlithe. It's a nice Growlithe. That's a dope Nidoking right there. Alright, last pack magic. Let's do it for Chew. Alright, we got Execute, Machop, Clefairy, Gloom, Dugtrio. Man, that's a cool looking Haunter. Golbat, Erica's Invitation. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. Art rare. Foil Starmie. I mean, I don't know if that's a hit or not, but hey, it's pretty cool looking. And then, yeah, the Squirtle, Charmander, and Bulbasaur foils. I just want to take this time to thank everybody for all of the support in the last 2 weeks. I've heard nothing but positivity from all of my co-workers. Time for some code cards. And then I'll just flip it this way. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, I've actually gotten quite a few compliments on my voice. Dude, you got the voice for this. Thanks, man. Honestly, I feel like I'm talking with a mouth full of marshmallows over here. A couple more code cards. And then, yeah, I would just like to thank Sophie Hart Kyla from WWE Supercard, my buddies Roro, Shifty, Koro, Steven, Sean, and Derek. Thank you, everybody. Y'all are number one. Have a good night.